Hi, this is Ben Herring with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Metro Brokers. I'm here with Tammy. She's with Metro Title Trust, and she's in the Noonan office. And she's just going to tell us a little bit about the process to get to the closing table. So can you tell us some stuff?
Sure. The way it works is the agents present their contracts and we open our files, we order title work, and we send seller information sheets to get the payoff. Once all of that is completed and gets into the file, we send out the title commitment and the preliminary CD to the lender. Once that's completed, we clear up any title issues there may be on the file, order HOA closing letters. Then the lender will issue their CD to us and we'll collaborate the CD so that the figures will match. Once the figures match and the lender has a clear to close, they send the CD out to the buyer 3 days in advance prior to the closing, and then we're ready for a closing.
Got it. So it's required that you have 3 days from the time that CD goes out before you can close, right?
That is correct.
Okay.
And that is the TRID law.
Right. I knew that was a law that had changed.
And the other item that real estate agents need to know and are unaware of, some of them, is that we, as Metro Title Trust, are not allowed to give the buyer's CD out to anyone.
Right.
No one can get that CD. Now, if the buyer chooses to give the CD to the agent, that's their choice.
Sure. Okay. Oh, and the other thing you had mentioned about the HOA letter,
Yes.
Generally, there's a fee for that, and that is covered by the seller now?
Yes, the HOA
Okay.
closing letter is a fee to the seller, and that says it in the community disclosure.
Right. I knew that was a change
Yes.
to the new forms this year.
Yes, and in that disclosure as well, you have to put in any transfer fees, initiation fees that the buyer would be paying.
Got
If
it.
you don't complete that section and it is leave blank, the seller is then responsible for paying those fees on behalf of the buyer.
Okay. And just for timing, generally the work that you guys do, it's a much shorter time frame than the lender, because I thought generally speaking, if the lender is going to take 30 days, you may not start until day 7 or something because it takes you less time, or am I wrong about that?
No, it does take us less time, and that's
Okay.
because once we get the title work in, we immediately start working to clear the title if there are issues.
Right.
So it doesn't take as long. We can have our file completed within 2 weeks.
Right.
But then if the lender's not ready,
Exactly.
then we have to push it out.
Exactly.
And then we have to update title, because every 30 days it has to be updated.
Okay.
And
All
it
right.
can't go back past 30 days.
Got it. Okay. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you very
No problem.
much. And so I'll have some contact information, but any other questions you might have with that, reach out to me and I'll find the answers if I don't know them. Because chances are in this arena, I'm not going to know the answer, or if I do, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to point it back to the attorneys that do.
And
So-
that's good. I have 30 years experience.
So there you go. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay.